Okay, what we're going to do today is change the silencers. At the moment I've got it running with the original ones on. I actually quite like the look of them, but as you can see they are big and heavy. What we'll do when we get them off, we'll weigh them to see what the difference is. So that's what it sounds like. I won't do it for too long because they're inside. Get that. Okay. And these are the ones that I'm going to put on. So as you can see, they're very similar to the peashooters that you find on Norton Commandos. These are shorter, they're only 19 inches. So I measured them up. In fact, you can see if we put them up against there, you can see, not very well, but they do come up shorter. I think actually the thing's about there. So just slightly shorter than the originals. A lot slimmer though, and considerably lighter. So we'll see how we get on with them. Okay, so we've taken the one of the silencers off. If we put it side by side, yeah, you can see that the original is that much bigger. Okay, now then let's weigh them. So let's put that on to 0, and blimey, trying to pick it up with one hand, holding the camera, not the best way. Okay, let's that settle down. Okay, look at that then. So that's 5 kilos for the original, and for the new one, this is easier. Right, pop that on. There you go, 1.3, 1.3, 1.4, 1.3, 1.4. I can't make its mind up. Okay, so what's that then? 2.7 or 2.6? No, 3.6, 3.7 kilograms more than the one we're going to put on. So that should have some effect on the performance. Okay, right then. So let's see if this will go on with the bracket that's been provided with it. Okay, I've now changed the silencers over. Just have a look at the original ones here. As we said, they were 5 kilograms, and they do weigh a lot. Very simple to take off. The first thing you do is just remove this to take off the heat shield here, which covers the join. That's a 10mm, needs a 10mm spanner for that. And then loosen the clamp that attaches it to the exhaust pipe. That's a 12mm spanner, okay, for a 12mm nut. Loosen that off, and then you take out the top bolt here that holds the top bracket on. That also is for 12mm. So just remember then, for Royal Enfield, you've got 2 12 and 1 10mm. And then take that off, and then the exhaust I've put on, here it is in all its glory, is a 19-inch peashooter style exhaust that comes from Custom Bike Shop here in the UK. They cost just under £100 for the pair, and that's delivered free of charge in the UK. Very straightforward to put on. You have a couple of, well, you have, with it you have 3 of these spacers. Okay, you just need to use 2 of them to space out the difference in the diameter between the exhaust pipe and the silencer. The clamp here, underneath here, you'll find that on this they're all 13mm, so that takes a 13mm. And then what you find here is that you just get this one clamp that's adjustable here. Oops, so you can see that. Okay, that's adjustable here. And what I did find was, though, that where the hole was for the bolt to go through was too far up. So it simply meant drilling a couple of holes, a hole just before the end one there. I think I used an 8mm drill. It's soft steel, so it goes through quite easily. And then you'll find that the original bolt goes through, and you can use the original bolt. So remember then that we're back to 12mm here, there. So 12mm there, 13mm there, 13 under there, and there it is. Now you will see that where that joint cover was, there is a bit of a lug there that you can still see. It's not nearly as bad as the one that's on the 500 Classic. That really did look bad, and I got a heat shield to put over that. I'm not sure what to do. I've been looking on eBay for heat shields. There's a couple of people on a Facebook page for Interceptors. One guy's actually made one out of stainless steel, and he's offering them for £15 a pair if anyone's interested. I don't know what to do at the moment because they actually don't look too bad. I'll keep a lookout and then make a decision later. The ones I've seen so far have either been 7 or 9 inches, so you're sort of looking at that, and I just wonder whether that's too big. A sort of 4-inch one would go quite neatly over there, I would say, but I've not been able to find a 4-inch one that actually gets delivered to the UK. Found one in the States, but they don't deliver. Anyway, so let's start her up and see what she sounds like. Okay, there you are. Right, a bit of difference. Now we are inside, of course, and I'll film outside. But got a nice and throaty there. It does sound, and the power that's coming out of there, it's quite impressive. So, no leaks on that one. And nothing from that too. So very easy to fit, and at £100 a pair, a lot cheaper than what's coming on the market. You know, I've seen ones over £500, which is a lot of money. So there you are. What I'll do is I'll get her outside, start her up again, and we can hear what she sounds like outside. Okay, back outside now, and we'll just see what she sounds like out in the open air. So there we are. Certainly a lot more throatier. Just waiting for the revs to die down a little bit. So we'll just have to see how she performs with them. I must admit, I think I do like the looks better. So yeah, it evens up the whole look of the bike really, because it did look very back heavy, if that makes sense. But anyway, there you are.